Today I'm making tamales de rajas con queso. They're so easy to make and super delicious. Let me show you how. We're gonna start off by making the masa. To my mixer, I'm gonna add 1.5 cups of lard and we're gonna beat it for 3 to 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes, the lard is ready, and this is how it should look, fluffy. Now we add 2 teaspoons of salt and 5 teaspoons of baking powder. We beat for about a minute. Now we're gonna start adding the masa, and I'm using Maseca for tamales. And this is how we're gonna do it. We're gonna add 1 cup of masa for every cup of liquid. I have a total of 4 cups of chicken broth, so I add 1 cup of masa and 1 cup of broth. Make sure your liquid is warm, and we keep repeating it until we run out of broth. 1 cup of masa, 1 cup of broth, and this is my last cup of broth, and now I'm gonna start adding water. Masa and 1 cup of water. It's a total of 6 to 7 cups of liquid for 6 cups of masa. All the ingredients are in. We increase the speed to medium and continue mixing for about 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes, our masa is ready, and this is how it should look. And a good way to test it is by grabbing a cup of water, adding a small piece of masa, and your masa should float. As you can see it floated, it means that your masa is well hydrated. If your masa doesn't float, add a little bit of more liquid, keep mixing, and test again. I left my husks soaking overnight, or you can leave them a couple of hours. And this is so that they're soft, because if they're soft, it's easier for you to make and fold your tamales. We pat them dry with a paper towel. When you add the masa, make sure you add it on the soft side, otherwise the masa will stick to the husk. We add the masa, spread it out just like this. And I like to have a thin layer of masa. I don't like them too thick. I'm gonna add Monterrey Jack cheese or the melting cheese of your choice. It's also really good with Oaxaca cheese. And then here I have canned jalapeños, but I also add fresh jalapeños. My sister likes it like this. We add the jalapeño, and now we can fold. You grab one side, then the other, and flip the tail. We continue doing the same until we run out of masa. We add some masa, spread it out. The cheese, I like to add about 2 to 3 pieces, and then we add jalapeño, fold it, and with this amount of masa, I made about 36 tamales. I'm gonna put the steamer in the pot, and we add water just below the steamer. We add a layer of husk, just like this, and we start adding the tamales. Make sure to place them standing up all around the pot. Once they're all in, we add another layer of husk, cover with a wet kitchen towel, and now they're ready to go in the stove. We're gonna cook on low-medium heat for 45 minutes. It's been 50 minutes, they're ready. I'm gonna take some out. And when your tamales are ready, guys, they're supposed to slip off the husk. If they're sticking to it, it means they're uncooked. These look so delicious, they're super cheesy. I love that jalapeno kick. If you've never tried these, this is your chance to make them. All right, guys, now for the moment of truth. Cheers. And there you have it, delicious tamales de queso con rajas.